Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making Lucknowi Biryani. For this you need some whole spice like bay leaf, clove and star anise, and dry masale like coriander seed powder, our kitchen king masala, turmeric powder, garlic, onion and tomato, and cottage cheese. So let's start making Lucknowi Biryani. So take a pan, add approximately 2 spoons of oil, normal refined oil. Spread oil all over the pan and then add 2 cloves, a very small piece of star anise and 1 bay leaf. On a low flame, cook for a couple of seconds. Now add 3 cloves of garlic, chopped garlic, and cook it for further couple of seconds. And now add 1 medium size finely chopped onion and cook till pink. If you want to cook onion early, then add a pinch of salt. Now our onion is transparent, so add the dry masala. First add 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well, and then add our kitchen king masala, 1 teaspoon of our kitchen king masala. Now add 1 chopped tomato and mix it well. If you want to cook tomato early, then add another pinch of salt. Now add some water and mix it well. After mixing the masala, add approximately 50 to 70 grams of cottage cheese and toss it well. So the cottage cheese coated the masala. Cook for 1 minute. After a minute, add pre-cooked rice and mix it very well. So all the masala coated over the rice. After mixing it very properly, add salt to taste. Remember, we have already added the salt in onion and tomato. So add little of salt. Then sprinkle 3 to 4 teaspoons of water and cover it and cook it for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, your Lucknowi Biryani is ready to eat.